Hello crypto warriors, welcome back again to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to review a crypto project. Before, this video is not for any financial advices so let's start. Alright, in this video, I will discuss about this project, that its potential or not, like everything. Hope you guys give me your valuable time. So as you can see the website interface in my screen now. And the project name is Blackpearl. So what is Blackpearl? If you look at the new standard for content creation development, with its meticulous design with taking speed and opinionated yet flexible workflows, Blackpearl unlocks AI full potential. It is the tool of choice for high-performance teams to create content better. If you look at, like, obviously you can try and obviously here we can see the price information. Like here we can see the 1000 TLT. By the way, you can purchase the subscriptions by using their tokens, which is also amazing features, I think. Right now, if you look at, like, here we can see and you can buy BLD from Uniswap. If you look at the token, like BLD plays a key role in their growing system. Non-crypto native competitors, the token allows global users easy access pay wallet features. This is amazing, I think, because this is a subscription by using their tokens, which is a good deal, I think. Right now, if you look at their additional utilities, and here you get their content address that you can check this out first of all. If you look at the utilities, like the token will be given additional utilities as they build their ecosystem and they launch new product verticals in the field of consumer AI. Obviously, they have breathtakingly fast contract, like trusted contract with the security on it. If you look at, like, additional resources, like read more about token, like here you get their roadmap, also their security audit at the tokenomics, and here we can see their token, like designed to maintain the project as well as access to the early functionality of this project. If you look at the roadmap, like here we can see the security audit or whatever you can see, and here you can see the audit report in my screen now. Anyways, you can check this out for yourself, and here we can see their this is the tokenomics of this project. Also, like here we can see their roadmap and whatever you can see. Then here we can see, like, get more with their token BLD and whatever you can see the whole things, like their tokenomics, like their tax, which is 5%. And if you look at the BLD total supply, which is 100 million, 10 million goes to staking and 90 million, which is goes to liquidity pool. And if you look at 100 million, which is locked for 6 months on a Uniswap, and obviously you can check this out. And if you look at the roadmap, then here you can see they are phase 1, phase 2, phase 3, and phase 4, and phase 5, also phase 6. So they have a huge things incoming in the future. Like if you look at the roadmap, then you understand that what's incoming in these futures, which is little amazing. And you should check this, guys, obviously. If you wanted to invest in a Unity project, then you should check Blackpearl. If you look at the tokenomics, then here we can see again the tokenomics. Also, like they have like mint Blackpearl, and here we can see their products where we can use it, their AI, their features. Like what you will get, like the latest AI technology, edit AI text easily, more than 25 plus languages, export results in PDF and Word, do effect count predictions, also generated AI image. If you look at the partners, like they have OpenAI, DeepMind, Verso, TestScript, CoinMarketCap, Request, like Mercury, Binance Smart Chain, Alan, ARC, OpenSea, and Pitch. If you look at, like here we can see their like the templates, which is literally huge, and here you can see the whole things. Obviously you can check their templates if you wanted to know more. Right now, if you look at the subscription plans, like here we can see like what you get if you buy the subscription, also what you get as free, like what included and whatever. You can see the whole things in my screen now. Right now, if you look at the social medias, like they have like their feeds that you get, also their Twitter or ads, like their Ethereum scan, audit, their KYC, and their tax to make. And the last two get their white paper, audit, and whatever you can see. Like they are, again, you can see their social links and whatever, you can check this out. If you look at the chart, then here you can see, first of all, just look at the market cap. As a potential project, like if you look at like its terms literally 56%. Right now, I think you will be shocked because this is very risky to take in the entry, like buy this token obviously. But why I share this project with you guys? Obviously, this is a utility project and the team is active right now. So that's why, and if you look at the market cap, which is only 200k, and I believe that it will easily break 1 million market cap, even 10 million market cap. Just look at the liquidity. Their market cap, which is only 200k, and the liquidity, which is 70k. And the LP is locked for 6 months, which is on Unikip, and you can see their reports from their DEX channel. Right now, if you look at their X, then here we can see their X and their followers, which is only 1000. And as I said that the team is much active and they are doing well marketings. Like recently, they just finished their KYC verification certificates. Also, like as you can see, the whole things like listing today. And by the way, this token is launched only 1 day, like yesterday, you can say. Like here we can see. So right now, if you look at the price and the whole thing, so I think this is a great time to take entry, and I believe that it can be the next 100x shares, because if you look at the whole days, this is going to be huge, I think. And I will buy sell and hold it till like for the long term, because I can meet this project. Right now, if you look at the whole things, then here we can see. So that's it about this project. For more info, you can join their Telegram community. And please subscribe to this YouTube channel for more crypto projects. Peace.